Okay, so this is the fifth time that I'm recording this video. Okay, so I have to be quick this time. So hi guys, this is Roshan. It's really late in the night. It's around 11 p.m. that I'm shooting this video, and a disclaimer for you that if you guys are expecting any kind of comedy coming your way, then this video is not for you. You can freely skip this video. And I'm really sorry that if this video turns out to be a bit aggressive in the middle, because I've been thinking to make this video since a long time, but I was not just able to do that. But now a lot of things are that happening which sort of triggered this video. So guys, the thing which I'm gonna talk about in this video has been affecting my mental sanity since a long time. You all know what I'm coming up to. So I have my one fellow content creators, Lavina Naik. She is a wonderful creator, and she was the first fashion bloggers of our state. Recently she posted her late father's picture on the internet because she was missing him, but surprisingly she got trolled for that, and she was forced to commit suicide just because she was being emotional, and she was posting this stuff on her feed. She was extremely broken. She signed off from the internet for 2 days and made a video on it, like how broken she was, and she got a bit emotional. Later today, one of the other fellow content creators of Odisha, Namrata Parija, she got an open rape threat. So the thing is that, guys, this is not new for us. This is not something new which I'm looking on the internet. There is already so much of negativity which is happening because of this coronavirus. Now I'm seeing that this type of harassment has increased a lot. I'm a very small creator. I have a petty subscriber base of 985, which I'm very proud of. But still, I get 2 to 3 such filthy DMs every now and then. It affects my mental, peace. It disturbs my mental peace like anything. I get so demotivated. And I cannot imagine how these girls who just faced it, and maybe they're facing every day because of their popularity. What sort of things must be they going through? My question is, guys, what is happening to us? What is happening to our generation? Like, is this what we are representing? You know what? The way things are going ahead, there will be a day when our generation will be called for the flag bearer of negativity, hatred, rape, and every sort of negative things. This is not okay. This is absolutely not okay. Hating on someone, giving death threats, giving rape threats for no reason to someone whom you don't know personally is absolutely not fine. The person who is doing this sort of things needs a mental checkup before you shit on any other person's DM. This is not okay, guys. Tali ek haath se nahi bajti. Okay, getting my point? If we are uploading something on the internet, it's the other person also who chooses to watch our videos. We're not forcing you have to watch it. This is the beauty of the internet. If you don't like our content, okay. If you hate our content, then there is an option on Instagram that unfollow. If you are not being able to control your emotions even after unfollowing, then block us. If our video is hurting your sentiments, then there is another option from Instagram called report option, where you can report our videos and tell us why you got offended. Just because you're not liking the videos and just because you're not liking the person's content, you cannot give that person a rape threat, a death threat. I don't know, guys, what is happening See, point is that I'm not feeling okay to be on the internet anymore. There are days when I feel like whatever I have, I will quit this and I'll focus on my MBA, and I don't want to do this YouTube thing because I feel like I have a low subscriber base now. But when I will grow, then I'll be also getting such type of filthy things, and my life will get filled with negativity, and I don't have the courage and strength like every other girls who is in this fraternity. Not even in this fraternity, man, every general women who is just on social media is exposed to such kind of threads and bad messages. Like, what is happening? I mean, I don't feel like on being on the internet anymore. Like, earlier internet was such a beautiful place to be in because there was already so much negativity in our real life that we used internet as our escape. Internet was beautiful, but now internet is dirty AF. Why people just can't be happy and mind their own fucking business? It's that easy. मतलब मैं अपने मेरे को अगर कोई वीडियो पर्सनली पसंद नहीं आता है, आई जस्ट डोंट वॉच इट, आई स्किप इट एंड कम बैक टू माई ओन लाइफ. वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, sitting behind your screen using the power of anonymity, it's not correct, it's not right, and you may be punished for it. Even if we are not doing something, you may be punished for it, and there are certain legal actions which can be taken over you if you continue doing such filthy stuff. There are several sections like section 500 IPC, section 66E of the IT Act, which is against cyberbullying. If I talk about girls, they were not safe in the roads and outside, and now they are not even safe in their homes. You know what impact the things which you are doing, what impact it can have on someone's mental health. So my point is that stop doing this. I know people like this cannot be changed. It's in their upbringing, I guess. They have been brought up in a wrong way. That's why they are up to such things, such heinous crimes, such lowly acts. मतलब एक इंसान सबसे ज्यादा इंटरनेट पे इतना नीचे ही गिर सकता है जितना कुछ लोग हो रहे हैं अब इंटरनेट पे. And I feel I'm not using internet anymore as my escape. I feel very dirty, I feel very bad, a lot of negativity comes to my mind. It disturbs me mentally whenever I come into any social media accounts of mine. I will urge all the content creators out there, if you are facing such type of things, then please talk about it, mention those names in your story, and your audience will, everyone who has a proper brain will report that account. And if anything happens further, we can always be dependent on the cybercrime department. We just can't be broken by these people who have nothing in their life, who don't have any aspirations, who are just so broken that they are just dropping out their frustration on us, and it is affecting our mental sanity. So I just don't want to speak about it anymore. It was frustrating me so much since a long time that I just wanted to put up this video and just release my aggression on it. And I'm really sorry to anyone who got offended and who felt like I'm saying this to you. I mean, if you're doing this, then this message is for you. And if you're not doing it, then yeah. So if anyone in your environment is going through this, then please talk to him or her and help him and stand up for him or her. We can do this as a human, and in these times we have to be united, guys. There is no other way around to stay positive. Let's not do this, please. It's a request. मैं हाथ जोड़ के सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, please don't do this, please. I'm done with this. Thank you. Bye.